Hey, what's up, guys? And today we're diving into the most advanced Termux hacking tools of 2026. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll show you the top tools that are changing the mobile hacking game. Let's jump right in. First up, let's dive into Hydra 2026, the latest evolution of one of the most powerful password cracking tools available for mobile devices. Whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast, a penetration tester, or just curious about the latest in hacking technology, Hydra 2026 is designed to impress. This tool has been a staple in the security community for years, but the 2026 edition takes things to a whole new level, making it more accessible and efficient than ever before. One of the standout features in this release is full GPU acceleration. By harnessing the raw power of your device's graphics processor, Hydra 2026 can crack passwords at lightning speed, leaving older versions in the dust. The new Termux interface is not just visually appealing, it's also intuitive, making it easier for both beginners and seasoned pros to launch and manage attacks. The difference in speed and usability is immediately noticeable, especially when compared to previous versions. Another game-changing upgrade is Hydra's seamless integration with the cloud. Now, the app automatically pulls the latest encrypted password lists from secure cloud servers. This means you're always equipped with the most up-to-date resources without having to manually download or update files. The encrypted transfer ensures your data remains private and secure, giving you peace of mind while you work. Hydra 2026 also introduces a smart scheduler that intelligently manages attack processes based on your device's current workload. This means the app automatically adjusts its performance to prevent overheating and excessive battery drain, so you can run intensive tasks without worrying about damaging your phone or running out of power. It's a thoughtful addition that makes Hydra practical for real-world, on-the-go use. Security and convenience go hand in hand with the new streamlined logging and encrypted session management. You can now pause your cracking sessions at any time and resume them later, all while keeping your data protected with robust encryption. This is perfect for users who need to multitask or step away from their device, ensuring your progress is never lost and your information stays secure. With its cutting-edge features, user-friendly design, and focus on both speed and security, Hydra 2026 stands out as a must-have tool for anyone serious about password cracking or mobile cybersecurity. Whether you're testing your own systems or learning about digital defense, Hydra 2026 is ready to take your skills to the next level. Next, Metasploit NextGen. Optimized for mobile, it delivers desktop-level speed and reliability right on your phone. The new UI and on-the-fly module updates mean less setup, more action. Manage multiple sessions, automate post-exploitation, and integrate directly with Android's networking tools. It's the most complete mobile pen testing suite yet. If you're serious about mobile exploitation, this is the tool to beat. Now, let's talk about Nmap Ultra, the next evolution in network scanning technology. If you've ever needed to quickly assess the security of a network, you know how crucial speed and accuracy are. Nmap Ultra is designed to deliver both, making it a game-changer for cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts alike. At its core, Nmap Ultra features an adaptive scanning engine that intelligently adjusts its methods based on your network's conditions. This means you get lightning-fast, highly accurate results, all while ensuring your network or device isn't overloaded. Whether you're scanning a small home network or a sprawling enterprise infrastructure, Nmap Ultra scales effortlessly to meet your needs. One of the standout features is real-time visualization. As Nmap Ultra scans, you can watch live updates of discovered devices, open ports, and potential vulnerabilities. The deep scan mode digs even further, uncovering hidden services and security gaps that might otherwise go unnoticed. This empowers you to respond instantly to threats as they emerge. Security is also a top priority. Nmap Ultra's enhanced stealth features help you evade detection by using randomized packet timing and decoy traffic. This makes it much harder for intrusion detection systems to spot your scans, giving you the upper hand during penetration testing or red team exercises. For network mapping and reconnaissance, Nmap Ultra is an essential tool. It automatically generates detailed network maps, helping you visualize connections, identify weak points, and plan your next steps with confidence. Best of all, Nmap Ultra fits right in your pocket. With its mobile-friendly interface and integration with other cybersecurity tools, it's like carrying a full reconnaissance suite wherever you go. Whether you're in the field or at your desk, Nmap Ultra keeps you one step ahead in the world of network security. Zphisher Pro takes phishing simulations to the next level. Launch automated campaigns with AI-driven templates that adapt to your target's device and language. Track responses, auto-generate reports, and let the tool handle follow-ups. Advanced stealth features keep your campaigns under the radar. Perfect for security awareness training and testing your defenses. Zphisher Pro is the gold standard for ethical phishing simulations. SQLMap AI brings intelligence to database exploitation. Its AI analyzes database structures and tailors attacks for maximum efficiency and stealth. After each scan, you get clear explanations and patch recommendations. It automates advanced techniques and adapts to defenses in real time. Dynamic throttling and query obfuscation help you avoid detection. For database auditing and learning, SQLMap AI is a game changer. Toolbox 2026 is your all-in-one hacking toolbox. Access over 700 updated tools with one-click installs and automatic dependency checks. The new interface lets you search and filter tools instantly. Auto-updates keep everything secure and current. Whether you're customizing Termux or exploring new tools, Toolbox makes it effortless. It's the ultimate toolkit for any hacker. Routersploit 2.0 targets vulnerabilities in routers and IoT devices. Its expanded database and in-depth scanner find firmware flaws, open ports, and misconfigurations. Community-driven exploits keep the tool fresh and relevant. Detailed reports show you what's wrong and how to fix it. The new mitigation guide is invaluable for both red teamers and network admins. For Wi-Fi and smart home security, Routersploit 2.0 is essential. SocialBox Next revolutionizes social engineering. Run real-time phishing calls, automated SMS campaigns, and AI-generated lures tailored to social media. Simulate attacks on popular messaging apps and get detailed campaign metrics. Ethical training mode lets you run safe, controlled simulations for awareness programs. Built-in feedback helps users recognize and defend against social engineering. Stay ahead of human-based threats with SocialBox Next. Redhawk X is your go-to for fast, deep recon. Its multi-threaded engine pulls data from dozens of sources in parallel. Exportable reports break down every asset, vulnerability, and misconfiguration. Integration with public breach data gives you a complete attack surface map. For bug bounties and pen tests, Redhawk X is a powerhouse. Weeman 2026 makes stealthy phishing site creation effortless. Use new templates for major services, all optimized to bypass modern defenses. Advanced cloaking and auto-expiry features keep your simulations safe and low risk. Deploy sites, generate short links, and send test emails, all from Termux. For red teams and awareness training, Weeman 2026 is a must-have. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the top Termux hacking tools for 2026. We've explored some of the most powerful, innovative, and versatile tools available right now, all designed to help you learn, experiment, and grow your skills in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro looking to expand your toolkit, these resources can open up new possibilities and help you stay ahead of the curve. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use these tools ethically and only on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. Hacking isn't just about breaking into systems, it's about understanding how they work, finding vulnerabilities, and helping to make the digital world a safer place for everyone. Ethical hacking is a vital part of cybersecurity, and your actions can have a real impact, both positive and negative. So, make sure you're always on the right side of the law and the community. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite Termux tool? Or is there a hidden gem we missed? Maybe you have tips, tricks, or suggestions for future videos that could help others in the community. Drop a comment below and join the conversation. Your feedback helps us create better content and build a stronger mind, more informed digital community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue bringing you the latest insights, tutorials, and deep dives into the world of tech and cybersecurity. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and share this video with friends who might find it useful. Thanks for being part of our growing digital community. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and remember, hack responsibly, keep learning, and always use your skills for good.